Fiserv is a major financial technology company that provides payment processing, merchant services, banking technology, and financial solutions to businesses and financial institutions. It's a well-established company, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, Fiserv is a major player in the payments industry and powers a huge amount of financial infrastructure behind the scenes. But that doesn't mean every Fiserv product or service is automatically the best choice for every business. What it does well: large payments infrastructure. Fiserv provides technology for processing card payments, digital transactions, and other financial services at significant scale. Wide range of solutions. Its products cover areas such as merchant payments, banking technology, point-of-sale systems, and financial services. Where the hype falls apart. Pricing can be complicated. Payment processing costs aren't always obvious from headline pricing. Businesses need to understand transaction fees, service charges, equipment costs, and contract terms. Not every solution fits smaller businesses. Fiserv's extensive feature set may be unnecessary if you're a small business looking for a simple payment processor. So, should you use Fiserv? Short answer: it depends on your business. If you're a larger business or financial institution that needs scalable payment and financial technology, Fiserv can be a serious option. But smaller businesses should compare its pricing, contract terms, and features against simpler alternatives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.